How to delete your Uber Eats account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can delete your Uber Eats account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to delete our Uber Eats account, what you have to do is, there are different ways to delete it, by the way. So you can delete it from the app or you can delete from the browser. I'll just show you from my browser. You just have to go to the account closure page of Uber Eats, and it is also going to delete your Uber Ride account, not only Uber Eats but your Uber Ride account as well. So once you go to this specific account list over here, what you need to do is just hit the enter button on your keyboard after you go to this URL. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. It will directly take you to a page where you can delete your account. So it says following profiles will be deleted, so make sure that you sign in to your Uber account. As you can see, I'm already signed in, and then you'll see your Uber Rider account, you'll see Uber Eats account. You deleting either of these means deleting both of these. So if you select Uber account, under Uber comes Uber Ride and Uber Eats, so keep that in mind. And all you need to do is just click on the continue button from the bottom in order to delete your Uber Eats account. That's all it takes to delete your Uber Eats account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.